Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. The other day I posted a video on the best portable doomsday prepper repeater, mobile setup, node, etc. So I got an email or a couple emails about people asking about, well, what antenna would you use with that? So I thought it'd be a good time to do an update video on my adjustable SWR J-pole kit. Now I'll post that link down below. As I said, now the key word here is adjustable, which makes it a lot easier to adjust the SWRs and trying to trim the antenna down. Now I've had this up now for, I don't know, 5-6 months. It's been up through the whole winter, and we're gonna go in the shack here in a little bit and check the SWRs and see how it's doing. But this is a 1/2 inch copper pipe. It's a kit. You have to supply the copper pipe, but I'll post a link down below where you can purchase the rest of the kit to go ahead and assemble this. And it's adjustable SWR. You just use a screwdriver, you slide up the feeder bar up and down to adjust your SWRs, you tighten it down, voila, you're done. Now what I like about this, it's a J-pole, like I said, so it's got really good gain for what it is. And also, it being in GMRS frequency, it's a very small J-pole. Now, of course, depending on what frequency you're going to be using this on, your antenna may be actually bigger. There's a free online calculator that's also on my website that you can calculate the length and what you need to do this. But yeah, this is, and I apologize, it's kind of hard to get a real good picture of this, but I've been running this, like I said, for 5 months maybe now out here. It's been working great. It's been throughout the whole winter. We have had storms, all kinds of nasty weather, really cold, 40 below, and it's been doing great. And let's go check to see. Now here's the good thing about it is, if the SWRs are off, all I gotta do is use a screwdriver and tweak the feeder on it up and down to the, lower the SWRs. I don't need to cut anything. But I'm gonna put you on pause. Let's go inside of here and let's check the SWRs, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're in the shack here. I got the antenna analyzer, say that 3 times fast, hooked up here, and let's see what it says for SWRs. And it looks like it is, what does that say, 1.357. Hey, that's good enough for my book. Matter of fact, I think it's about the same it was when I put it up. I don't think it changed at all. So this kit works really well with this, and I'll do some distance test videos. I think I did a couple videos already on distance tests with this antenna. Maybe I'll try to post those links down below too. But this 3D print antenna that I offer, the kit, I should say kit, works really well. Like I said, I'll post that link down below. You can use this kit on any frequency, business band, ham, GMRS. Obviously, depending on the frequency, the size of the antenna is going to vary. There's an online calculator that tells you what length to cut your pipes and everything. But it's been a real good antenna. I've liked it. It's light, small. It's kind of, especially if you use the GMRS frequencies, you can, it's a little easier to hide if you have an HOA or something where you live and you want to do GMRS. Well, this little antenna, it works really good for it being 3D print, and then I have it modified it for adjustable SWRs. I've gotten really good distance with this. So there you have it. Like I say, I'll post the links to that down below. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you, and have yourself a good day.